Hello everyone and welcome to another Looker Studio tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to add data labels in Looker Studio charts and graphs. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. All you have to do really is to click on your chart. Then you're going to go on the right hand side, you're going to go under Style. And then you are going to scroll a little bit further down, and here you're going to see Show Data Labels. So you're going to toggle this on, and here we go. You are going to see the data labels in your chart. Now, if your chart looks very busy, one little trick is you can toggle on compact numbers, for example. And if we do this, instead of, let's say, presenting the entire number, we are going to condense this number, for example, to 49K or 207K. Now we can do the same in more than one metrics. We're going to go on Style, we're going to toggle Show Data Labels on, and now we can see basically the labels, the numbers in every column, and we can do the same also in this chart. When you have a combo chart like these two charts basically here, you need to toggle Show Data Labels twice. So you're going to go under Series 1 and you are going to toggle Show Data Labels. Then you're going to scroll down under Series 2. You are going to toggle Show Data Labels. And that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to show the numbers in your Looker Studio charts. That's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.